Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a programming problem that involves capturing std, unique_ptr into a lambda, and then moving it into another function inside that lambda. The issue arises when attempting to compile two minimal examples that fail for different reasons. Let's explore these scenarios in detail to understand the challenges at hand. In the solution presented, the problem is addressed by recognizing that lambda members, captures, are treated as const in the lambda body due to the synthesized operator. To resolve this, the lambda can be made mutable using the mutable keyword. By making this adjustment, the lambda can effectively move the std, unique_ptr as intended, avoiding the compilation errors encountered initially. This simple, yet crucial modification allows for the seamless transfer of ownership without running into issues. To wrap it all up, we've delved into a common issue programmers face when working with std, unique_ptr in lambda expressions. By incorporating the mutable keyword into the lambda declaration, we successfully sidestep the obstacles hindering the movement of the smart pointer. Remember, when dealing with ownership transfers within lambdas, a little tweak can go a long way. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Happy coding, folks!